Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Tyler, and today we have a couple of boxes that I got. A couple of puzzle boxes. Let's see here. So, got this guy and this guy. And I figured I'd do this one first. It's not the best of quality. It was 10 bucks on Amazon, and it even tells you kind of what you're looking to do on here. So it's not the hardest thing in the world, and it probably would have been better for somebody else to have opened it and then just given it to me, because but it was 10 bucks. I figured I'd throw it on here, review it, see what what's going on with it. But again, you can see the glue. It's not the best made puzzle, but if you were just looking for something cheap to put something else in and have your friends solve it or something, then maybe this would be good for you to get. So that being said, let's see what we can do here. And again, that picture, oh, see, already it's just a pull out, pull that out, and then this comes out. Oh, see, look at all this little sawdust and stuff in there. So there you go, that's solved. I figured it'd be easy, or kind of something to that effect, considering the fact that it had the directions right there on the box, or kind of what to expect from it on the box. Again, it's not the best of quality, but if somebody hadn't seen the box and you just wanted to hide something in here and have a friend figure it out, then it's something. It might look good on my shelf as just something that's on my shelf. Oh well, that's that. And look, it makes a nice big mess that I'll just shove into this box. Okay, second puzzle here I got from Bits and Pieces. I think it still came from Amazon, but this is the company. I think the directions are in there, so I'm not going to look at those. But here's the box. It looks like the top here moves a little bit. This guy moves a little bit. And then this one does too. They both move, but it's stuck here. Nothing moves inside. I'm assuming it's empty inside. And I can't, there's no force. I can't force this open. Both. Well, that seemed to have gone a little bit further. This one seems to have gone a little bit further. Oh, okay. Okay. What did I do there? Okay, so I got that to move. This came out and I was able to move that way. Let's see. This moved slightly. I don't know if it was supposed to. Oh. That moved. So that moves and then that moves. This doesn't come off. Okay, so that moved. I wonder. Okay. I wonder if this moves. Does this move this way? No, that moves that way. So does this, but this one seems. Oh, look. That just moved a little bit more. Okay. No, but that moves that way. This one also moves that way, and this slides both ways. This slides both ways. It doesn't come off though. Oh, I wonder if one of these slides down more, because it won't. It's getting stuck right there and right there. I wonder if one of these needs to move. Okay, so that goes back there, that moves that way, and it gets stuck. This is not moving anymore. If I put it back, okay, so that's back. If I move, okay, so as I slide it moves, but we are stuck. So something else that doesn't move anymore. This part doesn't move anymore. And this is, it seems like it wants to come out, but it's stuck on these guys. And it doesn't there's no groove for it to come. I can't pull it out. This side doesn't seem to move. Doesn't seem like either of these other sides have a seam, it's just this side. And it seems by the way that these are here, that it should be able to just slide right out one of these two sides. Nothing I can see on the inside of this. I'm trying to see if maybe there's a point in which I can slide this thing further. Yeah, that doesn't slide any further. So this one is the same, where you go so far, it slides a little bit. You can go further. I'm wondering if there's another point in which it will slide, so it won't move. If it's all the way that way, this little piece won't move again. And it won't lift up. Look at, there's all this room. I want to make that go that way now. Now it'll go. Oh! Ha! Haha! There we go. We got it open. I knew that was going to be a trick to just, it had to be some way to make it go a little bit further. And it was bringing it back a little bit. Okay. So, put that back in. Okay. Okay, so we're here again. I guess we would only need one of these sides, really, unless they are somehow, we need to do both of them. So this one won't move, like, once it's here, it's there. It won't let me go further. This one is the one that kind of, there, and there. So, you have here, moves it here, and that's as far back as it seems to want to go. You have to move it back in to let it get out enough. So, there we go. There you have it. This is, I'm not sure if I had a name, the puzzle, some sort of a puzzle box here. Mosaic Secret Large Box. Mosaic Secret Large Box is this one. That wasn't too shabby. I kind of had a feeling of what I needed to do. I just couldn't figure out where that place was. Figured there had to be another place where this slid so that it could get to where it needed to go. Well, there you have it. Alright. Again, thanks for everybody who does watch. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed and you like, you know, what I'm doing here, please hit the subscribe button. And, you know, there you are. We have a magic puzzle box and the Mosaic Secret Large Box. Have a good one.